Let's use the keyword explorer. So I have a keyword, it's a seed keyword, and I want to check the scope of SEO in United Kingdom. It's fetching the result on the dashboard. You can see it's a keyword difficulty. It means how much difficult to rank against this keyword in search engine. It's the search volume. It means how many people searches this keyword in a month. So I need some matching terms. Okay. For SEO seed keyword, I have some matching terms above 150 100. Now I can more filter out these keywords. For example, I need keywords where a website is ranking in top 10, which has at least 0 DR, means a new website is ranking in top 10 against this keyword. If this one is ranking, it means we can also rank. Okay, let's check. Look, here we have small SEO tool. It has high keyword difficulty, but you can see here this one. A website is ranking against this keyword in top 5. What does this mean? It's mean the KD is just a number, right? Okay, and you can also note this website has no backlinks. We will learn backlink in another video. So now we can understand we have 290 keywords where a fresh and new website is ranking against this keyword in the United Kingdom. So now we can filter informational keyword. So how to find the informational keyword? Use this include filter and any word. So add some question words: how, what, when, where, which, why, who, is, can, does. Oh, get the results. You can see we have the two keywords, two informational keywords. Which of the following would be an ideal goal for an SU plan? So we are only finding the keywords which has a results on top 10. Now we will find some commercial keywords. How to find commercial keywords? Remove this informational. Add best under best versus for. That's it. Look at here. We have a keyword SU for builders merchant, and it has a volume 60. SU for plasters, SU for family law, SU for escort agency, It means if we publish a content against these keywords, we can rank instantly in the Google. So we can increase this number, but it will be still low range. Now we will find the websites who has DR5 means a new website. Okay. Now we have more keywords. SEO state agents, SEO packages, best SEO experts Sri Lanka, people finding in United Kingdom for Sri Lanka. Anyway, SEO for architects. So look at here, SEO tools for plagiarism. It has the high keyword difficulty and still a website with low DR ranking against this keyword without any high number of backlinks. This one, this one also. Okay, that's it. So let's explore a new keyword. For example, in this part we will explore all the filters. It is the keyword difficulty I have discussed in the previous part. It's the search volume, it's the global volume, means you can filter the keywords which has a specific range of global volume. And we have already used this low SDR. So now we are going to matching terms. So monthly search volume in this country included global volume is equal to the traffic potential. So, and it means a keyword has, if a keyword has a 50 search volume in the United Kingdom, it doesn't mean it has only 50 searches in the world. Maybe it's a keyword related to another specific country. It can be a more search volume. We have many examples here. Now, for example, this keyword has 8.2k searches in the United Kingdom, but globally it has 10k searches. The overall traffic potential is 27k in the high CPC. So we will find the keywords with word count. So I need the keywords. I need long tail keywords. We will understand what is the long tail and short tail keywords. If best wood for outdoor furniture, it's a long tail keywords. And best wood for furniture, it's a short tail keyword. And furniture or wood, it's a seed keyword. So we will find some long tail keywords. Minimum it has minimum four words. Okay, four to any. And I want to exclude the local searches, so I will exclude the word in. Sorry, I'll exclude the word sale, rent. Okay, near. Apply. So we have more filter. I want to find the keyword which has minimum 0.01 CPC. It means this keyword will have the earning potential. So 0.01 minimum. So now get the result. Remember, we have not applied any kind of volume and keyword difficulty filter. So now we have some keywords. Now we will apply the filter. We will find 5 DR websites in top 10, but I will find the legal services and lawyer services for SEO. So we have only one keyword, SEO for family law. It has 5 CPC. And next, yeah. So I'm removing this one and show results. Now we have some 236 keywords, but these keywords are the general keywords like silver circle law firms, e-law resources. So it's a large list. It means it has a good potential. So now I will use the 0 DR in top 10. Look, we have 962 keywords, right? It is a parent topic, and these are the keywords. What does this mean? We will learn in another video what is difference between keyword and the parent topic. For now, you can understand this is the keyword and the parent topic is road legal. Now let's go to the SERP. Okay, read this. You can understand what is the title structure, what is the URL structure, where these websites use the keyword and the parent topic. So we will understand this later. So for now, it's done. We have completed the keyword research, and you can copy these keywords or make a list, or you can export these keywords using Ahrefs. You can also filter or make a cluster by parent topics. Thank you.